guys, Brian here for Thumper Fab. Today I'm going to walk you through installing our new gun mount for your Can-Am Defender HD11. So we have our adjustable pole securely mounted to our base. I went ahead and mounted our gun clamps to our adjustable pole. As you can see here, there's multiple holes in the pole that'll allow you to adjust it for different guns and whatever fits your specific needs. I use the M10 hardware to mount these gun clamps, as well as our M8 hardware to mount our secondary bracket that's used in the HD11. This bracket fastens to your gun mount assembly. Once we have this all tight, we can move forward with mounting the gun mount in the vehicle. We'll move on to that next. For the last step before we mount our assembly in the vehicle, I'm going to go ahead and install these gun butts. These will help hold the butt of your gun still when you're driving down the road. I'm going to use our 1/4 inch hardware and flat washers. You'll simply install a button head through the gun butt with a flat washer. As you can see here, we have adjustable slots provided so that it can fit whatever needs you have depending on your different gun models. I'll get both these mounted and tighten them up with a 5/32 Allen wrench and a 7/16 socket. With our gun butts installed and our square tubing plug in place, we can go ahead and take our assembly to the vehicle, mark and pre-drill our pilot holes, and get this thing all mounted up. When you're going to drill your pilot holes, you want to make sure that you don't go any deeper than you need to. You shouldn't need to go more than a 1/4 inch. You just want enough to get the hole started before we secure it down with our Phillips head fasteners. With all our pilot holes drilled, we can go ahead and fasten the gun mount assembly to the floor using our Phillips head by 3/4 inch screws. You'll simply come in and install your Phillips head in the hole provided in our brackets, and you'll screw it through the floor pan into the floor. Once you have all your screws tight, you're ready to install your gun and hit the trails and enjoy your new Thumper Fab gun mount.